my dear students, I'm Priya Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is convert unit of length. Now I'm going to explain you actually how to convert them actually. So this is very interesting. As I told you in my previous slide that how many meter in centimeter, whatever, I have told you this thing. So this is conversion of units of kilometer into meter. To convert kilometers into meters, we are going to multiply the number of kilometer by 1000 because in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. Okay, you know that. Okay, so right now by considering this thing, I have to solve example for you guys, and here is the example. Example number 1 is convert 6 kilometer into meter. This is so easy. When you need to do what? You need to just multiply 6 by 1000 and write small m with it. Because this is in 1 kilometer there are, basically what you have done. This question is 6 kilometer. In the place of 6 kilometer, you have written multiplication and by what? There are in 1 kilometer, there are 1000 meters, so I have written 1000 over here in the place of kilometer. So right now, by doing multiplication process, I have my answer, which is 6000 meters. Hope this is easy, guys. Now I have a bit difficult example for you guys. Here I have one question which is 7.5, that is in decimals, and the other one, which I have told you earlier, that is a whole number. So there are difference, So this means that this example number 2 is convert 7.5 kilometer into meters. So here, first of all, I have to do what? I have to write it down into the fractional form, and how to do it, you already have studied it before. When 7.5 means that 75 fraction, and then we have 10. So in this way, I can just write it down like this. But one thing is interesting, that instead of kilometer, I have to write multiplication symbol and 1000 meter as well. So hope this one is easy. Now you can just check this one out. This one, 75 divided by 10, or in fraction form, you know how to write it. Then multiplication and then 1000. By doing cross multiplication, you already know how to do cross multiplication. So we are going to write 10 ones are 10 and 10 hundreds are 1000. This is easy. Or if you are not going to get in this way, you can just cancel the last zero of this denominator and the last zero of 1000. And you will have 100. So now you are going to write it down like 75 multiplied by 100. Yes, so 75 when we are going to multiply it by 100 meter. So we have answer 7500 meter. What happens actually? We must know this thing first as well. For conversion of large units into small units, we need to multiply the numbers. For conversion of small units into large units, we are going to divide. We are going to do division process. So hope this one is easy to remember you and digest you as well. So right now I am going to solve one thing, that is conversion of units of length, but that will be what? Meters to centimeter. So here we go. To convert meters to centimeter, we multiply the number, of meters, whatever is given, by 100. Because we have what? We have in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. So right now we have example over here. This example is going to tell you that we have one decimal number, which is convert 5.7 meter to centimeters. So this is again we are going to do in the same way. 5.7 meter is going to multiply by 100. 100 what? Centimeter. So right now we are going to write it in fraction form. So how to do it? You already know that, but I'm here to tell you that that is 57 over 100 because we have one decimal place. Because we have one decimal place, after decimal point we have one digit. So that is why we have 10 in the denominator. So right now by considering this thing and doing cancellation, as I told you earlier, that how to do cancellation. Yes, 0 is very interesting for me. I really love to do cancel 0 whenever at both sides I have zeros over there in numerator as well as denominator. So I used to cut 0 instead of doing multiplication and recalling the table. So whatever easy for you guys, you can just consider it for you. Okay, so right now I have done for both way. So 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. Or if you are, if you are going to do like me, so what can you do? You are going to cut the last 0 and you got cut the last 0 of this 100. So you will have the same answer, which is 10. So in both way you can do. So right now 57 multiplied by 100 is 570 centimeter. Yes, this is my answer. Now I have a different way of example. Yes, so you are not going to be confused in the methods. Okay, so what is this example? In this example, there is written convert 6 meter and 75 centimeter to centimeters. So you are confused, what is this? So we can write in this way whenever the question is given, we can write it down in decimals. How comes? Yes, I'm going to tell you. That is 6.75 this way. Okay, 6.75 is my answer. So here we go, we are going to say now 6.75 centimeter is equals to 6.75 is going to multiply by 100 centimeter, and by writing it in fraction form, you know that there are 2 decimal places. So we are going to have what? We are going to have 100 in the denominator. By multiplying it by 100, you know that 100 ones are 100. So by cutting it in the both way, or you can cut the zeros, last 2 zeros of both of these, you will have answer 1. So 675 multiplied by 1 is 675 centimeter is my answer. So right now I'm going to do conversion of centimeters into millimeters. Okay, to convert centimeter into millimeter, we multiply the numbers of centimeter by 10. So here we go, we have one example on this one. Convert 6.5 centimeter to millimeter. So here we go, we are going to convert this one into fractions, as well as we are going to multiply it by 10. Yes. Okay, so 65 by 100 multiplied by 10 millimeter will give you 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, yes, 10, 10. 65 is going to multiply by 1, and my answer will be 65 millimeter. And here we go, I have the same kind of example, which is convert 3 centimeter and 7 millimeter to millimeter. So right now I have to write it down into decimals first. So how to write down in decimals? So this will be 3.7. Okay, because in millimeter we have 10. Okay, we have to multiply it by 10. So we have 10 means that after decimal point we must have what? We must have 1 digit after the decimal point. So here we go, we are going to have number 3.7 centimeter. Now 3.7 centimeter is equals to what? 37 by 10, because what I have done is this one, converted this one into fractions and then multiplied it by 10. And here we go, we have 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 37 ones are 37. 37 ones are 37 means I have my answer, final answer, which is 37 millimeter. Hope this procedure is easy for you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.